Gusto mo bang malaman kung healthy ang pusa mo? Na-check mo na ba yung buhok at katawan nila? Hi guys, Doc Ara here. What your cat's fur and body tells about their health. If your cat's fur is dry, dull, and rough, it's possible kulang sa healthy fats ang diet nila, dehydrated sila, imbalanced ang nutrition. To prevent this, regular grooming, brushing, proper hydration, water 24/7, dapat may omega fatty acids, omega-3 and omega-6 yung kanilang cat food. Good example ay yung tuna and salmon ng Goodest. It has salmon that is rich in omega-3 and omega-6 that supports yung coat at saka skin ng inyong mga pusa. Next, constipated at sensitive yung tummy. This could actually mean na mababa yung fiber intake nila, dehydrated sila, kulang sa tubig, imbalance yung digestion nila. What we need, water 24/7, a diet that is rich in fiber. One good source of fiber is pumpkin. That also supports good digestion and makakatulong rin sa regular bowel movement nila. One good example is yung tuna and pumpkin ni Goodest, rich in protein and may fiber source pa. Next, yung payat yung katawan at mababa yung energy. Kulang sila sa certain protein at essential amino acids. So dito, since growing kittens nga are very big factors in nutrition nila, go for a cat food na high in protein at kumpleto sa essential amino acids. One good example is yung tuna and chicken, which has quality protein, good to support yung muscle growth, and yung paglaki ng mga kittens natin. At may essential amino acids like taurine. Wellness checks. For kittens kasi they are very prone for viral infections, bacterial infections, or even worms, so better have them check rin. Checking your cat's fur and body are just some basic things that you need to know as a fur parent. As a vet, I do recommend na may magandang nutritional source ang mga pusa nyo. Yung may good quality protein, complete nutrition, merong nutritional information sa likod. That's why I trust itong Tuna Twist Goodest cat food, which actually addresses mga nutritional needs ng inyong mga cats and choose nutrition that helps them meet their needs. Kaya if you have other concerns regarding your cat's nutrition, don't forget to consult your veterinarian.